Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our DT number 1, DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, and we are here to check on one of the features of the wearable. So we are going to check on the music control function of the smartwatch. Let me check if we really do have the music function. Okay, so I guess it's here. Okay, so we have here a music control function, so we are going to try that. We are going to test whether it works or not. Okay, and if we do have the time, okay, I will check if we do have support for voice assistant. Okay, I'm going to try to see if this thing also works. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video review, especially with the smartwatch, the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so we are ready now, and of course, we are already paired with the Wear Pro Support App. Okay, so as you can see here, I think we are connected. Okay, are we connected? Let's check. Okay, so it is connected to the support app. Okay, so here in our Bluetooth connectivity, we are already paired, as you can see here. Okay, so let's try and check the music function of the smartwatch. Can we activate the music function here automatically? Let's check. Okay, I did not open the music application. Okay, as you can see here. Yeah, next. Okay, next. Stop. Okay, go back. Okay, as you can see here, or as you can hear, we are listening to the speaker of our smartphone. Okay, so this is just an ad. Okay, let's check.
So, yun guys, dito tayo ngayon sa kwarto.
Okay, next. Go back. So it works. Okay, so far easy playing or easy connectivity with the Bluetooth for the music control function. Okay, so the next question is, what if we want to play this sound directly here in the smartwatch? We want to utilize the speaker here. Can we do that? Okay, so far right now it is playing, or it is using the speaker of our smartphone. Okay, so if you want the music to play here, okay, if you want to listen to the music here on the smartwatch, okay, just go to your Bluetooth settings. Okay, as you can see here, watch audio, connected, no media. Okay, tap on it or go to more settings. Okay, tap here and activate this one. Okay, so I will demonstrate. So this one right now, we are listening to the music here on the smartphone. Okay, I will activate this one. It is now connecting. Let's play. Okay, it is the speaker of our DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. So far very loud. Okay, nice speaker, very clear. Next. Okay, if you want to go back, just deactivate it. And okay, and yes, it's here in our smartphone. Okay, so far the Bluetooth music works for our DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, don't forget to connect this one, the watch audio BE 2E, depending on your smartphone. Okay, but so far, based on our demo, everything works. Okay, no issues at all on the connectivity of the music function. You don't have to set anything here in the support app. Okay, so just connect the Bluetooth functionality and you can play the music directly on your smart watch. Okay, so that's it for the music control function of our DT8 Ultra Smart Watch.